Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to tear down or disassemble the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G mobile phone for repairs. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the teardown, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic card pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the board frame by undoing 8 screws. Next, from the left hand side, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect the main flex from the logic board. Next, take out the battery. Here, we are using isopropyl alcohol to soften the battery adhesive. If not, you can use a heat gun to release the battery adhesive. And then use a plastic card pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive. Be gentle in this process and pull out the battery using a pry tool. Next, disconnect and take out the front camera from the board. Next, disconnect and pull out the macro and depth cameras from the board. Next, for pulling out the logic board, undo one more screw on the board. And then undo 2 antenna heads from the board. Next, using a pry tool, pull out the logic board by relaxing both cameras. Next, disconnect the main and ultra-wide camera connectors from the rear side of the logic board. Next, apply heat and take out the vibrator motor. Next, add some heat to pull out the earpiece module. Next, apply some heat to release the button flex from the frame. Gently pull out the cable with the bracket. Next, undo 7 screws to take out the speaker cover. Next, disconnect and take out the main ribbon flex. Next, disconnect and take out the Touch ID sensor camera. If needed, add some heat to release the adhesive. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, undo the screw on the charging port board. Next, peel the antenna cables from the frame. And then take out the charging port board by relaxing the LCD cable. Hope you have enjoyed the teardown guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.